Hi everyone, what's good? Long time no see. I've been kind of burnt out the past few weeks. I've been taking it easy lately, but I'm back now and I'm more excited than ever. I guess you do really need to recharge to actually do the stuff that you need to do, and I get that now. I feel 100% better. So yeah, how is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing well. 2020 has been shit, dude. Anyways, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this elastic waistband skirt that I made inspired by my new phone case. I got it here. I'll put their Instagram on the screen. So look at it. Look at the pop socket. It's resin with some dried flowers in it. I also got a black one. You guys want to see? Wait. Also got a black one with a leaf and some gold flakes because my phone is black. I initially wanted to just match up the colors and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna be sticking this on my clear phone case. It's so beautiful. Anyways, focus. Here's the pattern. I didn't do a lot of changes to this particular pattern from the original master's pattern. Feel free to screenshot it or pause the video if you're interested in making it. So with that being said, let's move on to the skirt making vlog. Good morning. I'm gonna do this vlog style now so that I can just edit this like every single night. I'm done with like something so that I don't... What the fuck is what? Anyways, so I thought I'll just do it vlog style on like the steps and everything, because if I like edit it all at once, I get kind of burnt out by the end of it. So I'm still trying to figure out what works and what doesn't work with creating videos and stuff. So hopefully it'll be a little bit easier like this. I'm just kind of like testing things and everything, so I hope I can get more videos out this way. All right, so let's get started in making the skirt. You can hear people talking in the background. My dad. I don't have a door to my studio. There's no door, so everything's gonna be a little loud. Hopefully you guys can hear me if I do it vlog style. You guys probably already have all the pattern with you if you're gonna be doing this with me. It's basically two very similar front and back because we're gonna be using an elastic waistband. So if you're asking, this is a regular cotton fabric. I use pink because the outside of the phone case is pink, like the outer rim. Okay, so I guess we'll just start off with joining one side of the lining with the other side of the lining, and then we can do the same thing to the chiffon material, which is going to be the outer layer of it all. First of all, after you're done with the lining, we're gonna work on the chiffon now. For the chiffon, I am going to be hemming the ruffle so that it's easier to do. You don't have to go through like a squiggly, all the pulling and stuff. And then attach this to the chiffon skirt, and then I'm gonna sew both sides of the skirt, creating like a ruffle skirt. Hi! Can you see my face? Ta-da! And then now we're just gonna attach the other side like that. I already put together the outer chiffon layer with the pink. I really like how it turned out. Okay, you gotta see this. Oh my god, you gotta see that. Look at it. What the fuck? I put together the chiffon part with the lining, and now all we need to do is add the elastic waistband. We need to make a little tunnel, channel for our elastic to go through. That's why I made this 2 little mark. But first we gotta take apart one side of the lining and the chiffon that we made.
Stop.
Don't. Hi. Okay, as I was saying, before we make the tunnel thing and finalize like the whole skirt, I am gonna take this elastic. I measured it to be just a tad shorter than my waist and make sure that it stays on. We're gonna take the end of this and sew it onto the inner part of the lining. That is sewn right on there. All I'm gonna do is just kind of flip it out a little bit and then fold the top and the bottom like so. And then we're just gonna sew as close as possible to that line. And they're all the way around. But don't get this stitched in there. Now that we're done with that part, the waistband, I'm gonna take a safety pin. I showed you this like a couple of times already, I think. There's the little tunnel thing, and we're just gonna, oh god, slide it into the tunnel thing. Yeah. Just like that. Just a straight line. Good morning. It is the next day. I look like crap because I showered. I just haven't gotten ready. I really just want to get everything done. So this is what you get, dude. This is the skirt that we did yesterday. It's a little plain because like the whole inspiration for this is the pop socket, but also this little trinket that I found. My mom was a wedding organizer and she had a lot of this stuff just laying around. She didn't bring it with her when she moved out. Just look at how pretty that is. Look at that. And I also got these ones, which are a little bit bigger. My mom totally made this one because I remember seeing her make this when I was little. And then I also have these leaves, which I'm planning on taking the stem out and then just having it, like I tested out yesterday. Just having it plain, like, look at how, that's so cute. Okay, I'm excited. So to put it on, you can put it on yourself and then mark where you want to put it.
Okay, I don't know how or why, but the footage cut off right at that part. All I'm trying to say is you can put it on your body and then mark out where you want to put it, or you can take an easy route if you have a figurine or like a bodice and then see where you want it and then just put it like as you go and like check where you want to put the flowers, if that makes sense. And I also hand sewn every single applique onto the skirt. That's it.
And that is how I made the elastic waistband skirt with a little bit of pizzazz, created entirely inspired by my new phone case and pop socket. Yeah, I guess that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Feel free to comment what you guys want to see next for me. I would totally put it on the list. I have a list of projects that I want to make. I'm probably gonna stick it somewhere in my studio. Yeah, subscribe and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!